Hiya, I totally forgot it was Thursday, but it's Space Week, and space is like my favorite thing, and I feel like just the universe and space just begs to be thought about and begs to be seen, and I feel like I'd spend my whole day thinking about space, and I read books about space, and I watch TED Talks about space, just space, but I don't have time make a proper video. I'll try to explain the doppelganger theory. It's not a theory. What is it? Okay, so in an infinite universe, there is going to be infinite matter. But when something is too small to be measured, then that means... This is why I can't do direct uploads about space. When stuff is too small to be measured, that means there's going to be a finite amount of stuff in the universe. So with a finite amount of stuff and an infinite amount of space, there will be patterns that repeat. And when there are patterns that repeat, there will be you that repeat. So if you go far enough away from somewhere in the universe, you will find an exact replica of yourself if the universe is in fact infinite. But it could be more of like a Pac-Man thing where you go to one side and then just show up on the other side, or it could be a tabletop that goes forever, it could be a curved Pringle chip type thing that goes forever. There's a bunch of different theories on the shape of space, and if you go far enough in an infinite universe, there's going to be someone like you, but the distance is absurdly huge. But they're going to think like you, they're going to act like you, they are going to have the same exact everything as you. But as well as that, you can go somewhere and have something radically different, like a little splotch of universe that is all goo. And also, they found this thing that looks like a big hole in space. I don't know exactly what it's called. I saw it on Tumblr a couple days ago. And it's just this huge area of just black. And it's this really, really, really dense gas where nothing can survive. So there's this huge expanse of space where it's just the loneliest place in the world because nothing can live there, or if something does live there, it's hidden in that blackness. And it looks like someone ripped open a hole in space and just exposed themselves to the void. I also like space because I like Doctor Who, and Doctor Who helps me understand like quantum mechanics and particle physics, sort of. I feel like I understand it a lot more when I watch Doctor Who. I'm reading a book called The Hidden Reality Parallel Universes by Brian Greene, who is a theoretical physicist who works on superstring theory, which is the newer version of string theory, which was this thing to explain, I think, electromagnetic force, like a lot of years ago, sometime in the 1900s. And superstring theory is a new version of that. And I can link to the TED Talk from him on below. And also I get to go to his lecture. He's coming to my old school to give a lecture, and I'm so excited. And he's going to give a lecture about space. Sorry for the not good video. I tried to make it as passionate as possible with as little time as I had. I just completely forgot that it was Thursday. Thursday is a hard day. So are all days. All days are hard. Oh well. Space, guys. Space. Space. Oh, and there's this huge telescope being sent out. I think it's called the Webb telescope. It's being, I don't know when it's going to be launched into space, but it's so big and so powerful that they only have one try to launch it into orbit, and instead of orbiting the Earth, it's orbiting the sun. How cool is that?